In this video, we're going to learn what are the 5 applications where you can earn money using ChatGPT. The number one application, you can start a blogging website. Using this blogging website, you go into the ChatGPT, put up a topic where I'm putting up a topic about data science and how is data science looking ahead in 2023. I typed in this particular message and ChatGPT started giving me this application. So if you have not heard about how blogging can make you money, I'll put some links in the description below and you can take a look at it. Otherwise, blogging makes you a lot of money. Next is how can you make business services? What are the different kind of business services? Here I'm asking as a business service, like let's say you are a trip planning company. I'm asking ChatGPT that can you plan a 5-day trip for California? And it is so planning very well. If you can see as we are talking in the background, if you see it's just doing its thing, right? So 5-day trip planning. So you can start different services and you can start converting the opportunities which you had earlier. You have a lot of knowledge about trip planning, you and you don't know how to write it properly. Probably this gives you much information and you can marry that information and make a good business out of it. Next is learning and teaching. So I asked ChatGPT to write a piece of Python code where I can talk to a REST API, and this is how it is as you're seeing on the screen. So what does it do? It goes into the Chat GPT interface. I put this question in, and it starts showing me all the different code and also explains me the code. So you can learn anything new, and based on this, you can teach somebody also pretty much sure, because when you're learning something, you can verify the information and make a learning and learning business out of it. Let's say if somebody wants to, you can use an API on your learning website, and on top of it, it talks to Chat GPT and it works out well. We don't know. So that multiple opportunities. Next is research. I put random topic, like let's say I want to learn about finances, how taxation. I started putting some random topics around finances, taxation, and as you see on the screen here, I put like how can I save my taxes? It can be research about anything, right? What is data engineering? How can in today's world is you go into a Google Scholar, read about a journal, then come back information. And in fact, you can ask ChatGPT what are the famous journals out there, and you can start doing research. So what comes out of research at the end of the day, you become a doctorate in certain area and you can make money on top of it, right? When you have your patents, royalty, so there's endless scope. So research is one area. The last area, which is probably the most important one, and is increase earnings at your work. So one of the things is, let's say you're a car salesman. I'm asking ChatGPT right now that somebody looked at a 2023 Honda CRV, and I have to reach out to as a follow-up email to the customer. How do I do it? So this email, ChatGPT gives me a template where I can use it and send it to the customer. Another question where I do a lot of interviews on my YouTube channel, I need to send it as a LinkedIn message to my fellow techies and experts. You're invited on our channel to do awesome video conversation. So, but I asked ChatGPT that I want to invite people on LinkedIn that then can they come and talk, and this is how it. So your work increases. So the natural language processing of ChatGPT increases your earnings. Now I ask specific questions, take the message, I change the message a little bit. I don't want to completely copy the message. Even for blogging, I would suggest take the message, but change it according to you. You should also have your own spin in it. Otherwise, you are no more an AI. AI can only tell you what the data tells you, right? That is always me. So AI can tell you what data tells you, not what Raghav tells. So you should have the message what Raghav tells. So that is what the commentary I can give you on this topic. So take a look at these 5 applications, implement them, and all the best. See you till next time. Bye bye.